Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. It's been quite some time I had done a day vlog, so thought to capture moments on a day when my in-laws was with us. Beginning with my morning routine. In one of my vlogs earlier, I had mentioned on the Mama Earth face wash I had been using. From my co-sister Femina's sister-in-law, her name is Ansala, who has a very beautiful skin, had insisted me on using serum, which is really important in a skincare routine. That made me add a serum in my routine again from Mama Earth. The reason why I love Mama Earth is also because of their Plant Goodness initiative. Every time you buy from them, Mama Earth will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. By 2025, Mama Earth is aiming to plant 1 million trees as a part of this initiative. Apart from a great product, we are also adding back to the planet, and that's really amazing. And to talk about serums, they have Upton Face Serum, Skin Plump Face Serum, and the Skin Illuminate Face Serum, which is what I have been using for some time, and only after I try, I show it to all of you. Winter season makes the skin look dry and dull, and in such a weather, this helps a lot. This serum is filled with a combination of vitamin C and turmeric that are amazingly beneficial for our skin. It helps reduce pigmentation, fine lines, and brings back your skin's natural glow in the most effective manner. It has Nymphaea alba flower extract that has intensely nourishing, moisturizing, and regenerating effect on the skin to brighten the complexion, strengthens capillaries, and soothes irritation, redness, and infections. Squalane, which is a detoxifier, has antioxidants that fight skin damage and free radicals. It firms the skin as it boosts collagen production. It even has anti-inflammatory properties. When we learn about the products we use, we get to know how they help to bring back life into our skin. And when it's naturally used ingredients, it's even more better. Mama Earth has their official app on iOS and Android. Links are provided in the description box. App users get early access to sales and hence get extra discounts. Use my code Shamsheera 2021 to get 20% off, available only on Mama Earth website and Mama Earth app. The product is also available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. Just like my morning skincare routine, my morning healthcare routine begins with a cup of warm water and any fruit. Normally, I steam ripe plantain, which is my favorite to have as a fruit. Many of you still keep asking me why do I have steamed banana in the morning. Do watch my weight loss video or my workout routine video I had posted some time back. The link to those videos will be in the description box. We have my parents-in-law, my youngest brother-in-law and family at home. So for breakfast, prepared our Kerala steamed rice cake or what we call Puttu. And to go along with it, prepared green gram curry. For that, wash the green gram and slice in onion, tomatoes and green chillies. Then add some salt and enough water. Then cook on medium flame for 5 to 6 whistles. For the Kerala Puttu, the best recipe that I can say anyone will love is by making from frozen rice. This is really simple and I have shown it many times. This is frozen rice that I had placed on the countertop overnight so that the ice in it melts completely. Squeeze the water from the rice and add to a blender and just pulse this few times to make it like rice crumbs. This becomes a very soft dish that you can have with any curry, be it veg or non-veg. Now once all the rice is done, add salt and some rice flour. Mix well. Instead of rice flour, you can also add wheat flour, semolina or ragi flour. As usual, take the puttu maker and layer. Add a spoon of grated coconut first, then add 3 spoons of the flour, again grated coconut and repeat. If you don't have this maker, you can also use a steamer. Bottom layer will be grated coconut, then the flour and again grated coconut. I shall give a link to these items in my description box. Place this on hot boiling water and let the steam come through the tiny holes of the lid. The green gram is well cooked and it needs a tempering and the curry will be done. Heat some coconut oil and fry shallots, ginger and garlic, everything chopped into small pieces. Add some curry leaves and dried red chillies. Add this to the curry and that's done. This is a very simple yet very delicious combination. This is even good with rotis or chapatis. Arman had mild cold, so only Rihan was going to school on this day. I work out in the morning these days. As soon as kids leave to school, I do have a bit of free time before I start for lunch preparation. Today's lunch is biryani, which is easy to prepare compared to the normal lunch we prepare usually, which is rice, curry, side dish and such. Biryani is always my comfort food and easy to prepare. And I did have my mother-in-law and co-sister Sabina to help me. Here for a change, I shallow fried the chicken pieces. So for a quick marination, I took red chilli powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt and oil along with some water. Mix well and marinate the chicken pieces in it for some time. Meanwhile, I moved on to the other preparations. Shallow fry the chicken pieces in a mix of oil and ghee. Here I've used only oil, it's up to you. I really thank myself for buying a food processor because it's really helpful, especially when we need to cook in large quantity. Slicing onion can be done in seconds. I had bought this from Riyadh few years back and it's still doing the work wonderfully. Mine is Philips brand and this is nothing sponsored. And not just slicing, even chopping can also be done in the food processor. Here I'm using Jeera Masala rice, which is the best one for Malabar biryanis. But basmati will also be good enough if you don't have the other one. Wash the rice well and soak in water for some time. Into another pot, that's to cook the rice. I used some of the oil left after frying the chicken as it has got lots of flavors in it, as well as you get a yellowish color for the rice. To the oil, add some of the sliced onion. Saute for 2 minutes on medium flame. Parallelly, I'm preparing the chicken masala for the biryani, adding the rest of the onion to the bigger pot. If you feel oil is less, you may add more oil or mix in some ghee if you want. Now here for the rice, add the required quantity of hot water. Whole spices like cardamom, cloves, cinnamon stick. Let that boil. Meanwhile over here, the onion is really soft and translucent. Add crushed ginger, garlic and green chillies. Mix well and let it cook till the raw smell go. Adding chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves will add a good flavor to the rice. When the raw smell of ginger, garlic and green chillies go, add chopped tomatoes. Mix and let it go really soft. So cover and cook on low-medium flame. The rice has been soaking for some time. Drain the excess water in it. Now to cook the rice, here I've used water double the quantity of rice. We had a small gathering in our house this weekend. Right now, parents and my youngest brother-in-law and family are at home. Only the next day, the rest of the family members joined. Hence, you will not see them in this video, but if you're following me on Instagram, you would have seen a glimpse of them in my stories. The water is boiling and so adding the rice. Give a mix. Goes in enough salt. Keep covered. Once it starts to boil, reduce the flame to low and let it slowly cook. To the onion mix, add some turmeric powder, coriander powder and salt. I had already added some in the marination, so only lesser amount is needed now. Mix well. Add some curry leaves. That's good. Then add enough chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. Time to add the chicken pieces. Mix really well. Keep on low flame and cook the chicken for some more time to get it well set in the masala, say around 5 to 7 minutes. Don't forget to check the rice if you're cooking it parallelly like how I am doing. Meanwhile, heat some ghee. Fry some onion, cashews, raisins and some curry leaves. These are for garnish. Give a mix to the chicken. After these are fried to golden brown color, take it out and do not throw away the ghee. You will need it. Since I have made in large quantity, I am layering the biryani in 2 pots. So taking half the chicken masala. Add the rice on top of the masala. Spread some of the ghee used for frying onion. Spread some chopped coriander and mint leaves. Sprinkle some garam masala powder. And finally goes in some of the fried mixture. I did the same way in another pot. If the pot is thick bottom, make sure you're placing it on low flame, or else place the pot on another tawa so that it doesn't burn at the bottom. Time to serve the biryani. As it was a weekday, it was difficult to have food together. So everyone was served at different times. That's my husband's very close friend who also joined for food later. You might have seen him already in few of my other vlogs. So that's all for today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If so, do give a thumbs up so that I know you loved it. Do pass in your valuable comments. Don't forget to try the recipes shared here, and I would love to get your feedback through my Instagram or email. See you soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.